Understanding, check in on someone, a guide to compassionate communication. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very important phrase in the English language that's all about caring and connection. Check in on someone. This simple phrase carries a lot of weight in terms of showing concern and maintaining relationships. Stick around as we explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's such an important part of our communication toolkit. When we say we're going to check in on someone, we're talking about making contact with a person to see how they're doing. This could be due to a variety of reasons. Maybe they're going through a tough time, they're sick, or you haven't heard from them in a while. The essence of this phrase is showing concern and ensuring that the person is okay. It's a gesture of care and support that can make a big difference in someone's day. Using this phrase can take many forms. It might be a text message, a phone call, a visit, or even an email. The method isn't as important as the intent and the message you're conveying. Here are a few examples. I just wanted to check in on you and see how you're feeling today. I'm checking in on you because I heard about the earthquake in your area. Are you okay? It's been a while since we last spoke. Just checking in to see how things are going with you. Notice that in each of these examples, the focus is on the well-being of the other person, showing that you care and are there for them. Checking in on someone isn't just about observing formalities. It's a crucial part of building and maintaining healthy relationships. It shows that you value the other person and are attentive to their needs and feelings. This can be especially important in times of crisis or when someone feels isolated. Your gesture of reaching out can provide comfort, support, and a sense of belonging. Furthermore, it fosters a culture of empathy and understanding. By regularly checking in on friends, family, and even colleagues, we create an environment where people feel valued and supported. This not only strengthens individual relationships but also builds a stronger, more compassionate community. Thank you for joining us today to explore the meaning and importance of checking in on someone. We hope this video has shed light on how such a simple action can have a profound impact on our relationships and the well-being of those around us. Remember, a small gesture of kindness can go a long way. So, don't hesitate to reach out and check in on someone today. Until next time, take care and keep spreading positivity.